H
Yes.
A I T I.
IT.
IT.
Yes, I know IT.
Mwen reme peyi mon pil, mwen men pou kan pap ka sove. Diaspora se pitit fil, bove la vi fel pa viv pre. Mwen kwen nou te antan, maman pa kon gen pitit deyo.
Okay, what's your name?
Ivan.
Ivan? Okay. Ivan, what do you know about Haiti? Do you know Haiti to begin with? Do you know Haiti?
Yes.
You know it's a country. You know it.
Yes.
Okay, what do you know Haiti? Haiti.
Country. I yes.
Manan je kreyansi, ya pale kre.
Tell me two things you know about Haiti.
Okay, we know about the government, we know about the problems about the weather.
You guys know Haiti, the country. Okay. What do you guys know about Haiti?
A little bit or nothing.
What is it? Anything you know. Anything is okay.
Hola.
It's a country that is part of Africa.
No. Do you know where Haiti is?
Todos los.
That's the second person that it's okay. Yes, it's an island.
In Central America.
Yes. ¿Qué conoces sobre Haiti?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay. Do you know anything like historical context? Do you know anything about history? What do you know about Haiti? Nothing? Nothing? Nothing?
Conozco amigos, pero no hablamos.
I don't know, catastrophes.
Okay.
Right there. And do you speak English
We
there?
speak French
No,
and Creole.
French and Creole.
Okay. Anything else?
That's good.
No.
Good. So you do know Haiti?
I know something about ¿cómo se dice?
Terremoto. Terremoto. Okay.
Más que nada por eso.
Okay, the earthquake. Oh yes.
Saben de Haití.
¿Conoce Haití?
Sí, aquí es hermoso, tiene playas perfectas. Me gustaría ir el año que viene.
Okay, what do you know about Haiti? So you don't know anything?
You have the first revolution in America.
Yes, we're the first black independent nation
In the world.
in the world. Yeah.
It's a slave
Yeah.
revolution.
Yeah.
Yes, I knew that, but I was nervous.
Hay chicas muy bonitas. Good IT.
Would you like to learn one word in Haiti? I mean, one word in Creole. Look at that.
I want to learn
One word.
Yes, of course. What does it mean?
It means how are you? How's things
How are
going?
you? Okay.
How's
Say
things
again.
going? Sakafet.
Sakafet?
Sakafet.
Sakafet?
Yes. It means how's things going.
Sakafet Haití.
Sakafet IT?
We're situated in Central America. We're the neighbors of the Dominican Republic. You guys know the Dominican? No. República Dominicana. First thing, that's the most important for us, is that we are the first independent black nation in the world. Yes, we were the first one. And
We speak Creole.
we speak French and Creole.
What is
Creole?
Yes.
Creole is like a mixture of some African dialects and French. That
Oh, you can say something.
in Creole?
Yes.
Okay, sac passé. It means ¿qué pasó? I mean, ¿cómo estás? Sac passé. Sac passé. Yeah. It's in Central America.
Ok.
Okay,
¿En serio?
Sí.
Sí.
our neighbors is the Dominican Republic. You know Dominican Republic?
Sí.
Okay, it's our neighbor. We share the same island.
Ok.
We are the first black independent nation in the world. And sac passé.
Sac passé.
Means ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo es?
Ah, ok.
Would you like to repeat it for the camera, please?
Vamos a ver.
Sac passé.
Sac.
Sac.
Ah, sac.
Sac passé.
Sac passé.
He got it. Our national music is compa. What? Compa. Yeah. Like in Argentina, you guys like what is it called? Cumbia.
Cumbia.
Gaza cumbia, c'est ce qu'on parle.
Moi, j'aime Haïti.
Moi, j'aime Haïti.
Moi, j'aime Haití.
Yes.
Yeah. ¿Quieres saber algo sobre Haití?
Bueno,
Ok. Te vamos a enseñar una frase. Es como se dice, como estás en creol, que es el idioma principal de Haití. Sacafet.
Sacafet.
Yes. Dice sacafet.
Can you repeat it?
Sacafet.
Sacafé.
Riz, para traducírmelo en francés, sí. O sea, Haití, admiro Haití por el hecho de las revoluciones que ha tenido a lo largo de la historia para poder lograr la independencia. Por favor.
Je remets Haïti en pile parce que nous avons fait révolution, première révolution qui s'est carrée indépendance, c'est ça les plus Haïti.
Ok.
Sé que fue una lucha muy dura, que duró muchos años, fueron muchas revoluciones, muchas guerras civiles y que realmente admiro que cómo lucharon con vehemencia para poder obtener la libertad y la independencia como país.
Ils connaissaient en pile bataille, ils connaissaient avec en pile année, ils en pile lutte, en pile révolution avant que tu prennes l'indépendance, mais ils appréciaient ça en pile parce que nous mettons en pile parce que nous venons
I was scared.